second and third sum, second sum we did. Now third and fourth sum we can refer it as it is like second sum. Now the fifth sum is cos AT minus cos BT by T. So we know that L of cos AT and L of cos BT. Now subtract both the things, and after subtracting this term whatever you are getting to be the phi of s, so I have substituted in the formula s to infinity s by a square plus a square minus s by a square plus b square into ds. Now I am taking term by term. First I am considering s by a square plus a square. After that I will consider this part, then both the term I will subtract, and at last I will simplify. So s by a square plus a square ds. Now take this, we are doing integration by substitution method. So take the denominator to be t equal to a square plus a square. So differentiate on both sides. So dt equal to 2s ds. A square differentiation is 0. Now dt by 2 equal to s ds. So when t equal to infinity, I'm just checking the limit also. One part if you check, that is more than f. T is equal to infinity, you substitute here, that becomes again infinity. And t is equal to s, you substitute s. S will be as it is a square plus a square. So s to infinity will become s to infinity s ds, that is s square plus a square. So in place of s ds I am substituting a dt by 2. Denominator will be a square plus a square. After that, so integral s to infinity s ds s square plus a square equal to 1 by 2 of dt by t. So 1 by 2 of dt by t, that is equal to log t. Log t equal to s to infinity. I am substituting the log t in place of t. I have just replaced s square plus a square s to infinity. I have kept as it is. At last I will substitute the limit. Similarly, the same way we have to do the second part also. So after finding the second part we will find it as 1 by 2 log of a square plus b square s to infinity. So now both the term whatever we have considered here, this as well as this, I am subtracting. After subtracting, half of log of a square plus a square s to infinity minus half of log of a square plus b square s to infinity. After that, what I am doing is I am taking a half of log of a minus b. So it is log a minus log b. So half I have removed out, common log a minus log b. So log of a by b. Now s to infinity. From both the term a square I am removing out. So it will become 1 plus a square. Whole thing divided by a square. So you have to remove the a square out. So a square will get cancels. 1 plus a square by a square. This is the method what we are doing. So if you remove a square from the numerator, it should be divided by the second term in the denominator, and one a square to be removed out. That is what I did here. So that is 1 plus b square by a square. Now after that I have a square will get cancelled. 1 plus a square by a square, 1 plus b square by a square. Now substitute the upper limit and lower limit. After substituting the upper limit and lower limit, as usual, anything divided by infinity will become 0. So log 1 you will get minus log 1. So log 1 minus log 1 is 0. So this first term of the limit will go off. Only the second term will be remaining. That second term will be minus and minus up. So what is that? Minus of log 1 plus a square by a square minus log of 1 plus b square by a square. So that is the second term. This second term minus. So take that minus inside. This will become minus. This is plus. So I will write log of this minus this. So log of 1 plus b square by a square by log of 1 plus a square by a square. After that, I am taking as log of a square plus b square by a square. I am just taking the LCM. A square will get cancelled. Log of a square plus b square by log of a square plus a square. This is the answer.